What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about what is going on with your YouTube videos and why people are not clicking at your videos. You must be thinking that I have the most amazing video on my channel but people are not looking at my videos. So there must be some problem with your content, that why people are not clicking on your videos and why you're not getting any views. So you have to figure that out. So how you can go and figure that out is going to be dependent on what kind of a thumbnail do you create. You can go and look for Google keyword, this kind of a thumbnail do I make, and people actually click on it or not. So you have to see that your thumbnail which you are creating are actually clickable or not. So if your content is clickable, so that's a good sign, but if your content is not clickable, you're definitely not going to get any views. So just go on my YouTube channel. So you have to just go on like YouTube Studio Beta. So it has given the impression rate that your content is been viewable by the audience or not. So you have to go and look for the dashboard. Just go and click on analytics. Inside the analytics you will get like details of watch time, views, and I'm not getting much views and it's also going down, so I need to go and do something good with that. Alright, so next thing is going to reach viewers, and you can see like 28 days I'm getting 8.9%. so it is going to be from 1 to 10 ratio. So if you have a good ratio over there in click-through rate, you're getting definitely some hits on the audience. So it is showing me that how many times do have YouTube has shown your video to other people is like 98,000 times, and on click-through rate is showing 8.9. so people do actually click on my videos, so that's a good sign for me. But it's like 4 or 5, you need to go and do something with your thumbnail that is going to go and give you some views on that. So just go and improve your thumbnail. From that you can go and see the impression, how they lead to watch time. So I'm getting like this kind of a impression and I'm just getting 16%. That's a bad sign, but click-through rate is very nice for me. And how many impression do I get? The watch time is very bad, so at the watch time I feel and I'm not getting any watch time because of that, but my impression is showing me 80.9%. so if you go and click on last 365 days, it will show you that how many click-through rate do I get, 8.5. so my previous one was not good, so you can see all going down and slowly it became bump up, then slowly you get some spike. That means you have a good thumbnail. It's not like all thumbnail and all, but if you get a spike, that means people are actually clicking on the videos. And it also depends how many videos do you upload on the time you want to upload your videos. And next thing is it is coming in Google search, so that is the best thing. It is giving the suggestion that how I'm going from suggestion that how to custom third party. So this is very bad, but you can go and look for details about that. And if I go and look for 90 days, so let's just go and figure out, do I'm getting any impression. So I'm getting impression that is 239k and my impression is very good. So my thumbnails are boosting my channel and that is helping out me to grow on my YouTube audience, and that's how I get some clicks. So that's a good sign. Just go and improve your thumbnail. If you're getting good impression, good for the audience, build your audience. So I'm getting audience which is going to get like, I'm not getting any views, that is average views. People are not sticking to my channel, so that's a bad sign. I need to go and improve that. Interest viewers, that is also good. So I'm getting watch time 18%, but my view duration is lacking, so I need to improve that. So looking at the analytics, you actually understand what is going on good and what is going on bad. Just go and improve what is been shown to your channel, and every channel will have different kind of analytics. So just go and look for that and improve that accordingly. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. See you guys next time.